myself Dr. M.A.R.G., Assistant Professor, Department of Rasha and Vaishya Kalpana, Global Institute of Ayurveda. Today we are going to be discussing on continuation of Kshara. That is, first part we already discussed its significance, introduction, significance, classification and method of preparation. Here onwards we will discuss the individual description of each Kshara. Let's see the individual description of Sarja Kshara. Sarja Kshara is chemically sodium bicarbonate, commonly known as baking soda or bicarbonate of soda. It is a chemical compound with the formula NaHCO3. It often appears as fine powder, but it is crystalline in nature. You can see the picture. It has a slightly salty alkaline taste resembling that of washing soda. Anyway, it is widely used as a baking soda, bread soda, cooking soda and bicarbonate of soda. These names are common names are there for this Sarja Kshara. It is counted in classics, it is counted in Kshara Dvaya, Kshara Traya, Kshara Panchaka and Kshara Ashtaga. In these classifications, Sarja Kshara is there. Basically, the Kshara Dvaya, Dvikshara classification, Sarja Kshara, Yavakshara, Kshara Dvaya, Mudahrada, two types of Kshara, and remaining all groups, Sarja Kshara is included. These are the market samples available that we can be used for cooking as well as for pharmaceutical procedures. Anyway, its physical properties, coming to its physical properties, its appearance is white crystalline solid. You can see it in the picture. It will taste slightly salty and which resembles washing soda. And coming to the classical references of this Sarja Kshara, synonyms are explained in classics. Anyway, it is having some vernacular names also. That is, in Hindi it is called as Sachikar. Sanskrit, these synonyms are there. In our classics it is explained as, it can be called as Swarjiga, Swarji, Suvarchiga, Swarji Kshara, Sarji, Sarjiga, Suvarchaga, Suvarchi, Sugurjiga, Kaboda, Sugarjiga, Ruchaga, Sauvarchala. Likewise, synonyms are there for this Sarja Kshara in classical textbook. And coming to the method of preparation of this Sarja Kshara, it is said that in Rasatarangana it is said that it is a plant named Ushtapriya. This Sarja Kshara is prepared from the burned plant called as Ushtapriya, which is somewhat similar to small kapikachu. And it can be prepared like a general method of preparation that we already discussed in first part. In Punjab region, this herb is called a lana. And that lana is to be burned and made into alkali, which is called as Sarja Kshara. As per Rasatarangini, we discussed it is called as Ushtrapriya. It is collected from the plant Ushtrapriya, which is botanically it is identified as Fagonia arabica. It is then burned into white ashes and afterwards, like general method of preparation, by dissolving it and after boiling it, we can prepare this Sarja Kshara. Anyway, method of preparation is explained in classic as Ushtrapriya Shubham Daktva Yatna Ksharam Samahare Toye Ashtagunade Kshitva Bhajane Vimale Tadaha. It is as per the general method of preparation. First step is you have to select the Panchanga of Sarja plant. Afterwards, burned it into ashes and added with the dissolved in 8 parts of water. It is explained in classics 8 times of water. General description we discussed about 1:6 or 1:4 ratio you can take. Here specific ratio is explained by Acharya. Therefore you can take 8 times of water and filtered for 7 times through a 4-folded or 3-folded cloth. And afterwards this filtered supernatant liquid is kept apart and kept over the Mandagni until all the liquid parts get evaporated. At last you will get the fine powder, fine white powder, which is called this Sarja Kshara. This is the method of preparation explained in class 6. Coming to the properties. Properties explained in class 6 are Sarja Kshara, Smridas Teshna, Kadurushnascha Pajanaha, Samirana Haraha Kamam, Kasa Shwasa Nivarana. It is said that it is Tikshna Guna, Kadurasa, having Kadurasa, Ushna Virya, and in Karma it will act as Vada Shamaka, Deepana, Pajana, Kasa Shwasahara, Gulmahara. Likewise, indications are explained for this Sarja Kshara. And dosage also particularly explained by Acharyas, that is Arambhya Reptiga Triya Revi Reptiga Sammitam Sarjiksharam Prayanjita Bala Kala Tyapekshe. After considering Bala, Kala, etc., the dosage should be started from 3 Rati to 12 Rati. You can end up to 12 Rati. And Anubana also, common Anubanas are explained. Madhu, Jala, Kshira are there. Anyway, the dosage particularly explained by Acharya starting from 3 Rati to 12 Rati. This is all about Sarja Kshara. Anyway, it is prepared by general method of preparation, but ratio is also explained differently. 8 parts of water is there. Explained instead of 1:6 and or 1:4 ratio. It is the common or cooking soda, which is having the chemical identity sodium bicarbonate or baking soda. Okay, this is all about Sarja Kshara.